The dawn of the 21st century was defined by two aircraft, the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II. For decades, these platforms represented the absolute pinnacle of human engineering. They ensured that the skies remained under a single, undisputed control. But the era of the fifth-generation fighter is no longer the horizon. It is the past. As the geopolitical landscape shifts and integrated air defense systems grow more sophisticated, the traditional metrics of speed and stealth are reaching their physical limits. In the classified laboratories of the United States and in the secretive testing grounds of the East, a new race has begun. This is not merely a competition to build a better aircraft. It is a race to define the next 50 years of global security.
The transition from the fifth generation to the sixth is the most profound leap in aviation since the invention of the jet engine itself. We are moving away from the idea of a fighter jet as a standalone machine and toward a family of systems. At the center of this evolution stand two emerging titans: America's F-47, the spearhead of the next-generation air dominance program, and China's ambitious J-36. The struggle for control of the skies has never been more intense, and the margin for error has never been smaller. To understand why the sixth generation is necessary, we must first accept a hard truth. The sanctuary of stealth is fading. For years, aircraft like the F-22 and F-35 relied on low observable designs to operate with near impunity. But that advantage is eroding. Advances in quantum radar, infrared search and track systems, and multi-static sensor networks are making it increasingly difficult for even the most advanced aircraft to remain unseen. At the same time, the battlefield itself is expanding. The vast distances of the Pacific Theater have exposed a critical weakness in existing platforms. Modern fighters depend heavily on aerial refueling, tying them to vulnerable tanker aircraft. The requirement is no longer just to hide, but to persist, to communicate, and to dominate in an environment where every signal is detected, analyzed, and contested. The next conflict will not be decided by who flies faster. It will be decided by who can process information faster than the speed of sound. The United States' response to this challenge is the Next Generation Air Dominance Program, often referred to by analysts as the F-47. This aircraft is not an evolution of the F-22. It is a complete reimagining of air combat. Developed by Boeing and its primary partners, the F-47 is built around digital engineering and modular architecture. Unlike previous fighters that required decades-long upgrade cycles, this platform is software first. Its systems are designed to evolve continuously, adapting faster than any adversary. Physically, the aircraft is expected to feature a tailless flying wing configuration. By eliminating vertical stabilizers, the F-47 achieves unprecedented broadband stealth, reducing visibility across both high and low frequency radar bands.
Powering this aircraft is the Adaptive Engine Transition Program. These engines can dynamically shift between high-thrust combat modes and ultra-efficient cruise modes. The result is range, endurance, and strategic flexibility. The F-47 is designed to fly thousands of miles without support, closing the range gap that has defined Western air power for decades. But this aircraft is more than a fighter. It is a flying command center, a digital quarterback in the sky. Across the Pacific, the People's Republic of China is moving with remarkable speed. The J-20 program demonstrated China's arrival in fifth-generation aviation, but Beijing is already looking beyond it. Enter the J-36 and the highly classified J-50. The J-36 is believed to be China's direct answer to the NGAD initiative. Reports suggest a heavy emphasis on aerodynamic efficiency, massive internal weapon bays, and long-range engagement capability. Like its American counterpart, the aircraft is expected to use a tailless or cranked kite configuration, maximizing stealth from multiple angles. But the J-36 is not a copy. It is a system built for a specific strategic doctrine. Chinese designers have prioritized advanced gallium nitride AESA radars and powerful electronic warfare suites designed to disrupt enemy data links. The J-50 program, believed to be a carrier-capable or interceptor variant, expands this capability even further. The objective is clear: to deny access, to push adversaries beyond the first and second island chains, and to raise the cost of any engagement beyond what is politically acceptable. When comparing the F-47 and the J-36, we see two fundamentally different philosophies of warfare. The American approach centers on information superiority. The F-47 is designed to see first, decide first, and act first. Its stealth enables deep penetration into contested airspace, where it dismantles enemy defenses from within. It is a scalpel. The Chinese approach emphasizes systems confrontation. The J-36 prioritizes long-range missiles, high-speed intercepts, and layered defenses. Rather than surgical penetration, it seeks to impose denial through a single F-47 may command 4 to 6 loyal wingmen. These drones carry additional sensors, electronic warfare payloads, or long-range weapons. They scout, they absorb risk, they extend reach. If a drone is lost, the mission continues. If the manned aircraft survives, air superiority remains intact. This changes the mathematics of air combat forever. The sky is no longer a battlefield of individual machines.